Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can lay out your business card in a print ready template, and how you can add a safe zone, how you can add a bleed area, and etc. into your print ready template design. One of the print design you need to be very much careful is business card, because it's very easy to design, but if you don't follow the print template, you might lose some of the relevant information in your design. So in this regard, I'm going to show you how you can do a proper layout for print ready business card template. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic stuff, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly, if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So let's get started. So first thing first is to open up your illustrators, and in this tutorial I'm using Illustrator 2017, and there is no specific version of Illustrator you can use to create a print template. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and follow the right step. You're going to get it, and you're going to design or create a standard layout for business card print design. So you have to go to File now, then you click on New. All right, so this is the first stage you have to take note. At the top right here, this is where you enter the name of your design. So business card print template. Okay, now right here, you always make sure that you choose inches, which is highly recommend. And then here you have to type in 3.5 for the width, and the height should be 2. Okay, now at this point here, this is where you need to determine the orientation of your card. Do you want to design a vertical business card? You have to choose this option. If you are designing an horizontal business card, you have to choose this option. But for this tutorial, we are trying to lay out for horizontal business card. Then you can leave your artwork to be 1 for now. Then for you to create a bleed area and safe zone, you have to just tap at the top right here. Then it automatically add up 0.125 into left and right and the bottom and the corner as that. Then lastly, you have to make sure that at this point here you always choose CMYK color, because this is a print design, so you have to choose our CMYK color. So finally, you have to come here and click on create. So when you click on create, it's going to open a new page whereby you guys can use to design your business card. But that is not the last stage you have to do before you can start your design. Okay, so right now I'm going to zoom in, Control minus to zoom in, and press H key on my keyboard to just walk around with freehand tool. So now at this point here, we have successfully done with the first step. So the next step you have to take here for you to start a print ready template for business card. So you have to come to the tools right here, select your rectangular tools. Okay, so when you select your rectangular tools, you can remove the fill and disable the fill color, and then make active your stroke color. So you can give it whatever color of your choice. So this one here, I'm giving it black. Now you have to draw this all over down below this page, just like this, all over down like this, right? Now, so at this point here, you need to, or better still, you can select your rectangular tools. Okay, so when you select your rectangular tools, make sure you unfill this and make sure you fill this, and then come back to the workspace. Just tap once, and then when you tap once, this is going to pump up. So when this pump up, the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you can see everything here is in the right size, and then you just click on OK, and you're going to have it this way. So when you have it this way, you can easily go back to your move tools and take it to the workspace, and snap to the shape. Boom. So you have the same option. Okay. Now for you to create a bleed zone and save zone, stuff like that. So the next step you have to take is to make sure you select the objects. So select the shape. So when you select the shape, you have to go to the home tab here, go to object. Then from object, you have to go to part. From part, you have to go to offset part. So when you click on offset part, this is going to pump up, and then right here you need to set your bleed zone and save zone. Right here, click on preview so that you'll be able to see what you are doing. And then at the top here, make sure you cancel this and add minus at the front of the 0, then 1, 2, 5. Okay, and then make sure this is 4. Okay, so you can see the preview, it has become active. Then you can easily click on OK. Now you have it this way, so you can easily right click on it now, and then make sure you make it just choose make a guard. Okay, make guard. So when you click on make guard, you're going to have it this way. So you can easily drag ruler if you are interested to drag ruler, but if you are not interested to drag ruler, you are still going to achieve the right result, as far as this is the best way to lay out your business card in Adobe Illustrator. So the very last thing I would like to show you guys is that, business card is always come in form of front and back. Most times business card come in form of front and back. So for you to create the second part of the business card, all you have to do is to make sure you select the artwork. So when you select the artwork, then come to the tools right here and then choose artboard tools. So when you choose artboard tools, you are going to have something like this. Then press hotkey on your keyboard and drag, and you can easily place it beside one after the other. So you're going to have it this way. Boom. So with that, you can go back to your move tools. So apparently you have your business card layout in a print ready template. Then you can start to do whatever design of your choice. So you can name this one front. So this can be front, and the other one can easily be back. So let me drag. So this one here is back. So guys, this is how you create a business card in a print ready standard layout without any stress. I hope you'll find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe for more interesting tutorial like this on Adobe Illustrator. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.